for anybody who's trying to replace your door handles. So I went to the junkyard, tried to get these guys, and they were charging $7 a piece for a used junkyard one. And I went into Amazon and I got all four for 18 bucks. So the TY2567A LH, it's a Corolla from 03 to 08 inside door handle, and then they have the black, or you can get this. I'm not really digging it. It's also the same thing that this little chrome and this thing is made out of. But yeah, for 18 bucks you get all four of them. The other one, it's yellow. So I thought I'd get all four of them for 18 bucks. Like, you really can't go wrong with that. And it's literally just pop them out and put them back in. It has a tiny little Phillips screwdriver in there. Then I'll put the door panel back when I get home, because I didn't bring the door panel. Alright, cool. So once the screw is off, you just pull forward. Just on it, like, pull it up. And these clips, all they're doing is they just go in and then they stick on the side of the metal. And the back side, this is really easy. This pops off. Just take that one off. Same thing for that one. This thing is just gonna pop off. Right all the way forward. Like that. It just pops out. This one, swing it around. It also just pops out. Same thing, just swing it in and then pop that one in at an angle. And that's it. It's got a clip in the back. This one's broken, the other one's not. So I'll put that back in. So there we go, it opens. Locks the door. Unlock. Open it. Boom. I just gotta get this whole thing on and get all the other ones changed from that chrome to the black. It's gonna be sweet. All right, cool. So this is with the door panel on and everything, and just boop, it's ready to go. Opens up, closes. Same thing for this one. I had it with the door panel off. Able to close it, lock it. Same thing, everything works. But yeah, I got everything all installed. All the plastic. Yeah. Definitely beats not having a door handle. For sure, 100%.